Y'all, a real quick overview and product review on the Sensationnel Kinks Curls 9-piece set. Y'all, all I gotta say is this is giving inches, volume, thickness, and the touch of it really feels like a natural blowout, and that is what I was going for. It is a little too straight for me to actually blow out my real hair and blend it, and that's why I did not. But one day I may try that, but today was not the day because I was in a hurry. Something else I really love about this hair is that it's premium fiber, so it's not gonna tangle. It doesn't have that rough feel that your regular synthetic hair may have, and so that's something I absolutely love. And the last thing that I want to point out is the wefts on these tracks. I already know somebody gonna be like, girl, your track is out, like what you doing? I get it, hear me out. Look at how easily disguisable it is, okay? Unless you are all up on me and you're really looking, you can't even tell that the track is really there. Typically what I do to hide the track is I'll insert the clip in under. However, it didn't lay right and it didn't look right because the tracks are not that thick. Individually, they're not as thick as I was hoping they would have been. I've had thicker clip-ins. These are not that. My only issue with these clip-ins is how they just don't give you enough in the pack. And that's something that I've noticed with this brand in particular. I do like the quality of the hair, but they don't give you enough hair. You need like 2 bags to completely fill your whole head. And I'm really happy I did what I did in the front because there was no way I was gonna have enough hair, and I can't really blend my real natural hair. So there's that. I think next time I'll be more creative to hide kind of this part, but like I said, today I was in a hurry, and this video is more so just to show you all the actual hair and what you could kind of do with it. Not so much me really styling the hair, but the look works, and I'm definitely about to go outside, so it is what it is. But thank y'all for tuning in. Per usual, I just wanted to come in and give you a quick review of this hair and how I really felt about it. So make sure you all check out this brand, and this is definitely the one. All right, so I'll see you guys really soon. Bye. That's my sister.